Stevie. Okay, let's learn shapes. All right, there's just a few, but sometimes they can be hard. You ready? Square, circle, triangle, star, rectangle, and octagon. That's a hard one, octagon. But you'll understand soon. Okay, let's go through them again. Square, circle, triangle, star, rectangle, and octagon. Okay, let's look at them closer. You ready? Yeah, let's look at them closer. Square. It's got 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. Circle. It's one line, a circle. Goes around and around. Kind of like a wheel. Okay, let's move on to triangle. There's a triangle. It has 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. 3 sides. It's a triangle. Whoa, look at this one. It looks just like something else, but it's a little bit different. It's a rectangle. It's like a square because it has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. But 2 of the sides are bigger. This one and this one. So that makes it different than a square because it's a rectangle. 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. 2 of them, 1, 2, bigger. Very good. Okay, the next one is a star. That's got lots of sides. It's kind of like a crazy shaped circle. See these sides and these sides and those sides? Star has 5 points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 points make up a star. Great job, you're doing so good. Okay, the last one is really crazy looking. Whoa, look at that. That's got 8 sides. Let's count them. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 sides. Wow. An octagon has a lot of sides. That's 8 sides. Let's count them one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 sides. Octagon. You know what that looks like? A stop sign. Yeah, that looks like a stop sign. And stop, well, that means stop. Okay, well that's all the shapes you need to learn today. I hope you had fun, because I know I did. So I'm going to let the shapes go by, and you should call them out. Ready? Go! Great job! You did really, really good! glad you're learning your shapes. I'll see you later. Bye.